Today we will see about object properties in AutoCAD. What are object properties? The object properties control the appearance and behavior of objects and are used to organize a drawing. Every object has general properties including its layer, color, line type scale, line weight, transparency, and plot style. In addition, objects have properties that are specific to their type. For example, the special properties of circle include its radius and area. When you specify the current properties in drawing, all new created objects use those settings automatically. For example, if you set the current layer to dimension, the objects that you create will be on the dimension layer. Use the property palette. The properties palette provides the most complete list of all property settings. If no objects are selected, you can view and change the current properties to be used for all new objects. If a single object is selected, you can view and change the properties for that object. If several objects are selected, you can view and change their common properties. Use the Quick Properties palette. Generally, you can double click on objects to open the Quick Properties palette and make change to its properties. Note, several types of objects open an editor or start an object specific command when you double click them instead of the Quick Properties palette. This type of objects include blocks, polylines, splines, and text. The customized user interface dialog box CUI controls what palette or command is used when you double click each type of objects. Use the properties panel on the ribbon. On the home tab of the ribbon, use the layer and property panel to verify or change the settings for the most commonly accessed properties: layer, color, line weight, and line type. Now we will see in AutoCAD. Now I have given layer to this circle. I can see by right clicking its properties. So this is the color yellow, layer 0, line type by layer, plot style by layer, and line weight also by layer. Now if I want to change it, I can change also, like by select, change the line width. I can change the line weight. In this way, even if I want to see the properties of the hatches, I can go to view, see properties, and select this hatches. So over here it is written hatch, color is red, layer is 0, line type is by layer, line type scale is 1, plot style is by layer, line weight is by layer, transparency by layer. Now if I want to see this circle's property and even this circle's property, I can go and see the properties. Now over here it is written center X varies, color varies, because the common properties are shown by them. The common properties specified to this circle and this circle are shown over here. Plot style is bilayer, line width also varies. Now diameter and circumference and area also varies. Now if I select only this circle and go to properties, over here radius is given, diameter is given, and circumference and area is also given of that circle. Now how to change object properties? So if I select this rectangle, I can go to others, I can go to our load and select any line like this dash. Okay, over here the dash line comes, set as current. Okay, now select the box, select this line, so the line is dash, so line type is dash. If I select dotted, then the line type is dotted. Over here our dot is, see. You can also change the line width. Go to line width, select this. You can also change the color. Okay, go over here, by layer, select color type, yellow, blue. In this way, an object properties can be changed or seen. When I draw a same rectangle over here, I want to change the properties. I can change the properties. Continues. Now, using match properties, first select the source and then select destination. Color changes. If I want to change the color again, select the source, select the destination. In this way, match properties are being used. For today, this much is enough. We will see toolbar in next lecture. Thank you so much.